versus the floor versus infiltration. You know, you've got a total peak cooling load. Where does it all come from? And a lot of times, you know, what you're looking for is if one of these components is out of whack with the others. You say, that might tell you, gee, you know, we're getting, you know, 50% of our cooling load is coming from the windows. There's not really a lot of benefit in adding roof insulation. We need to look at making the windows better. Okay? You also get breakdowns of energy consumption by fuel type, by end use, and again, the end use thing tells you where you might be focusing your concern. A lot of times, you know, as buildings are getting more and more efficient, if the envelope requirements are becoming tighter, your internal load portions, your lighting, your equipment, your occupants become a bigger and bigger fraction. And so when you look at one of these reports, it might tell you that your lighting is 50% of your energy consumption. And so again, that tells you where you should be focusing your efforts to reduce energy. We also have reports which describe the performance of the HVAC system, how well our temperatures being met. Do we have a lot of hours where the loads are not being met that tells us we've undersized something, or our controls are out of whack and you know, for some reason the cooling isn't being turned on properly during a certain time of the year. It tells us what the sizing of our equipment is, which is useful again for that size reduction benefit. And again, and then finally we get our utility costs by fuel type, by total. It includes our demand charges. You have to put in